No, it's nonsense. It's ridiculous. Oh, hello? Who's that? No, this can't be. What is this? Ah! What brightness is before me? Are you a spirit whose coming was foretold to me? Who and what are you?
I am the spirit of Christmas past.
Wrong past?
Your past, Ebenezer Scrooge.
My past, please, spiritual brightness, it blinds me.
What? Would you so soon put out the light I give? The light of truth reveals much of your need and poverty, Ebenezer.
My need and poverty?
Yes.
Rubbish. If I have need, it is the need of some uninterrupted rest. But please, let's think of the best.
Rise and walk with me.
Walk with you? No, but I am clad in my dressing gown and slippers, and truth be told, I have a cold upon me.
Don't you believe, Ebenezer? Have faith. The light of truth is much more powerful than your fears. Come with me.
Good heavens! That's the pattern. I remember something.
Do you? Do you remember?
Perhaps something. Oh,
Your lip is trembling.
is it? I had forgotten. How lovely.
Do you know this place?
Of course I know it. Every rock, every tree, and as far as I can see, these familiar and comforting green. It is my home, the place of my childhood, the village I once knew. Was it 1,000 yards, or just a bit?
Ebenezer, do catch up.
Dan, where is he?
I say, Shimoni, it's me, Ebenezer.
I see.
May you be happy in the life you have chosen.
Run after her, you fool! Don't let her get No! Come back! Spirit, show me no more. Conduct me home. Why do you delight to torture me? Leave me. Haunt me no longer. I wish to see no more. Be gone! No more!
Oh, Ebenezer. In your eyes, I cannot find it. The future we will spend.
Just let them go. In your eyes, oh man.
In your eyes, only bitterness.
She told you.
Ebenezer.